Welcome dropshipping entrepreneurs. Are you ready to level up your ad game and skyrocket your sales? Today we are diving into the world of dropshipping ad creation, unveiling 5 essential tools that will revolutionize the way you craft and manage your ad campaigns.
Before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, I am Hassan, graphic designer, video animator and a freelancer. In this channel, I will be covering different ways on how to improve your design skills, learn new things and make enough money with side hustles. So if you're interested in this, please hit subscribe to stay notified.
If you are in the business of dropshipping, you know that eye-catching visuals are key to capturing the attention of your audience and drive conversions. That's why the number one item we have is the Glorify, a powerhouse tool designed specifically for creating stunning graphics that sell. Glorify is more than just your average design platform. It's a game changer for dropshippers looking to elevate their brand and stand out from the competition. With its intuitive interface and extensive library of templates, you can create professional, high-quality images and videos in minutes with no design experience required. Whether you are showcasing product features, highlighting special offers, or crafting compelling ads for your social media, Glorify has you covered with a wide range of customizable options. From stunning product mockups to attention-grabbing banners, the possibilities are endless. The number 2 item we have is the Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates and graphics and editing tools to create stunning visuals. Canva provides drag and drop functionality, making it easy to customize designs for social media, post ads, banners, and more. It also offers a library of stock photos and illustrations. Canva is a user-friendly and accessible, making it ideal for beginners, professionals, and alike. It allows for quick creation of professional-looking designs without needed of any advanced design skills. The number 3 item we have is the Espresso. Espresso is an ad management platform especially designed for Facebook and Instagram advertising. Espresso offers A/B testing, campaign optimization, and analytics to help users create and optimize their ad campaigns. It also provides insights and recommendations for improving ad performance. Espresso streamlines the process of creating, managing Facebook and Instagram ads, saving time and maximizing ad effectiveness. It's suitable for both beginners and advanced advertisers. The 4th item we have is the Pixlr. Pixlr is an online photo editing tool that offers a wide range of editing features and effects. Pixlr provides tools for photo retouching, cropping, resizing, and adding filters and overlays. It also supports layers and creating advanced editing functions. Pixlr is a versatile and user-friendly tool for enhancing product images and creating eye-catching visuals for dropshipping ads. It's available as both a web-based and mobile app, making it accessible from anywhere. The 5th item we have is the Hotsuit. Hotsuit is a social media management platform that allows users to schedule and manage posts across social media platforms. Hotsuite offers content scheduling, social media monitoring, analytics, and team collaboration features. It supports integration with various social media platforms including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Hotsuite helps streamline the process of managing social media accounts and scheduling dropshipping ad campaigns. It allows social media users to plan and execute their social media strategy effectively, ensuring consistent branding and engagement across the channels. And there you have it, folks. 5 essential tools to supercharge your dropshipping ad campaigns and drive incredible results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and fellow dropshippers. Subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights and tips.